How to install FFmpeg on Windows. Step 1. Download FFmpeg. Go to the FFmpeg Downloads page. Click the Windows icon. Now, two links will have appeared below the icon. In this example, we'll choose the first. Step 2. Scroll down to Release Builds and choose ffmpeg-release-full.7z. Step 3. Unzip this file you just downloaded. Right-click the downloaded file and select 7-zip. If you don't see 7-zip, you can download it here. Step 4. Rename the extracted folder to FFmpeg. Step 5. Move the FFmpeg folder onto the root of the C drive. Step 6. Type cmd and choose Run as Administrator. Step 7. Set the environment path variable for FFmpeg by typing in the command you see on the screen. You're all set. You will need to reopen the command prompt window for FFmpeg to work. That's it. I hope this helped you.